Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are here with the lovely chaps at Bray Marine to have a look at something a bit different. So this is a Balt Yacht. As you can see, it's ready to go on the water for under £88,000. And isn't she beautiful? So these boats are built in Poland by one of the largest mass manufacturers of boats. They normally build the boats for everybody else, but in this instance this is their own brand. You can see the foredeck here, but let's go and have a little look on board. So we'll start on the bathing platform here, and this particular one has 70 horsepower. So this is sort of semi-displacement boat, so you can put a 115 on it outboard and it'll give you at a push probably 18 knots. But as a river boat you can put a 25 or 50. This one comes with a 70. But again, if you're doing estuary work or coastal, because it is a category C boat, it's still a very capable boat. Nice big bathing platform, swim ladder as you can see here, really decent hard top, which takes you straight on board to this really sociable little area. You've got access forward to the foredecks and a little window there, and if you take a step back but not too far, you can see there's gated entry so you can keep children, dogs and alike on board. A little foot here to put the table in, and if I take a step inside here like so, you can see decent seating all round, lots of storage all the way under these seats. I suspect if I lift this section up here, yeah, there you go, battery box in there, mains trip, and somewhere to store your bits and pieces. It's really nice with the hardtop, and this hardtop, although you can't see it from here, is full of solar panels. So to prove a point, they're running the entire boat for the entire show on solar power, which is quite handy today because it's quite a nice day. So here you go, nice single helm seat with the obligatory pop-up bolster, little footrest, throttle controller here, and your kill cord. So if you did fall over the side, it kills the engine. Usual array of carling switches down here, and again it's really nice. Comes with a bow thruster, engine controller and fuel gauge here. This section slides all the way back here, and then there's a drop-in section that goes in here to completely close off the cabin. If you have a look in, what a lovely open cabin. Just while we're here, you can see up here we have Webasto diesel warm air heating. But what a clever little boat layout. Guessing there's a little heads over to the side here. Just going to have a look, a couple of steps in. First thing that greets you, again, as we always like to say here, is really good headroom. There's a little aft berth under the helm seat, but yeah, pretty spacious. And because you've got the head up here, there's a bit of storage there. There's an opening window there as well. Behind us, here you go, here's the Victron Energy unit that's controlling the solar panel, all your normal trips, 12 volt, water tank and battery DC voltage meter. We just focus here, so lovely little dinette. I'm pretty confident that folds down and makes a secondary double berth. And then there's an independent V berth here in the fore cabin with nice opening hatch for ventilation and cupboard storage, along with ventilation or windows there, and blinds. All of these windows have got blinds on. Really clever. Look at that. So all those blinds go across, so at night you can close off, keep the light out, or for privacy. It's just so light and airy. And then over on the port side, we have a really nice galley area. Fridge down here. Lots and lots of drawer storage, well, not drawer storage, sorry, cupboard storage in there. Little clever Dometic double burner gas hob with sink. Big hull windows, but it's a really bright and airy little cabin. I'm also guessing actually you can probably take out this section here in the V berth, yeah, and give yourself another place for kids to sit, perhaps while you're cooking. But really nice. So let's have a quick peek behind this door. So very functional, very practical little heads. Pop out tap with shower, opening port light for ventilation. There's a blind above it here as well that you can see, and then a very conventional loo, but also it's quite nice heating vent, so you can use a heating system to get the condensation out of there. Let us have a quick turn around the decks. I'm pretty confident, but I won't open it, that there's storage under there as well. So a nice wide side deck. You can get zip-in panels that cover and zip in this entire saloon area, cockpit area. Mind your head. Takes you to the foredeck. Nice sun cushions. Nice to see a boat that comes with a wiper as standard. You'd be amazed how many don't. And actually, while we're up here now, you can see that solar array up there. You can also see the fore hatch we looked at in the fore cabin, which gives a bit of ventilation and access. And actually a really spacious bow area, so getting around the deck is really easy. So if you're new to boating, nothing worse than clambering through or over bits and pieces to get to your anchor handling gear, which I imagine is in here. Look at that gas bottle, it's a neat place. Loads and loads of storage. All synthetic teak all the way around, so you haven't got to maintain that. And again, the old asymmetric side deck, so you can see this little deck is slightly smaller, and this side deck gives you your main access point. So there you go. What a fantastic little boat for not a lot of money. So I'll put the details in below. If you want to know more, contact Bray Marine. But thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the tour, and we will finish just admiring this little cockpit area. See you next time round.